Hello Stitchers, this is Beth at West Coast Wool. Today I'm going to show you how to do the beaded French knot. Let's get started. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using a Milliner's number 3 needle. I'm also using an Eleganza Pearl Cotton number 8. This is EZM 18. I believe it's Deep Cove. It's very pretty, variegated blue. And also I'm going to be using these little seed beads, and these are Toho number 8. I like the number 8 because they're not too big and they're not too small, and they will go through the needle easily. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick up our work and we're going to bring our working thread through the back, and we're going to pick up a bead, and then we're going to do some wraps. And I think I'm going to wrap about 9 times. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got about 9 wraps. My bead is still on my needle here. And then you're going to go back down in the background next to your emerging thread, just right next to it. Okay. And then I'm going to use my thumb to kind of keep everything in place. There you go. You can see the little stitch there. So let's do another one. We'll go back up through the background. We'll pick up a bead. We'll keep it on the needle. We're going to do some wraps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to go back down right next to the emerging thread, and I'm going to hold it with my thumb. And there you go. That's how you make a beaded French knot. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and keep it woolly.